This is Redfeather from grephaxs. In this video we will be showing you how to totally tear down the Remington 3.25 chainsaw. The Remington Chainsaw started smoking from the motor and stopped functioning. So I decided to make this tear down video that could be used as a guide to replacing parts, such as the oil container, bay, or the chainsaw blade, or bar. But just keep in mind, I will be recycling the parts of this Remington 3.25 chainsaw, therefore there will be no reassembly. As you can see, once I removed these two bolts holding the blade and bar of this Remington chainsaw, the metal piece that holds the blade on was eaten into slightly. At one point I had to bend this metal piece back into place because when the chain bit into it, the metal bracket had gotten bent on this Remington chainsaw. Notice once those bolts are loose on this Remington chainsaw, for safety reasons, it is best to remove the blade and then remove the bar. Notice the gear, just a gentle pry up removes this on this Remington chainsaw. The two center screws to release the motor was taken out. But as you will notice, there is not enough wiring to pull out, so you must first detach the safety mechanism and the trigger on this Remington chainsaw. Just a gentle pry with a flathead screwdriver removes the safety button. Once the button is removed on this Remington chainsaw, there is enough room to remove the top housing to the electrical motor. Because I am recycling this Remington chainsaw, I just clipped the wiring in order to make the rest of the disassembly easier. A gentle pry up with a flathead screwdriver on the fan of the motor releases it from the housing on the Remington chainsaw. All that is left on this Remington chainsaw is the inner coil, held on by two screws. After removing these last items, I examined the parts and did see some wear, but not as much as I expected, due to the smoke and smell at the end of the life of this Remington chainsaw. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and by all means, visit us at our website, http://grephaxs.com, and thank you in advance. The intro and extro was provided by Alex Abayu1 at his YouTube channel. Have a nice day. I am out.